Okay, so we've got a 2014 Subaru Forester in a 2.5i-S. Automatic wagon, black in colour. It's travelled just over 56,000 Ks. Got the reverse camera and sensors, tinted windows, alloy wheels. Presents in excellent condition. Got the big panoramic sunroof up there as well. Front sensors. It's got the eyesight technology in the windscreen for your radar cruise control. Take a look at the interior. So there's your radar cruise and the steering wheel there. Got your Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there, 56,000 Ks. Little onboard computer. Coming down to the sat-nav reverse camera, dual zone climate air conditioning, heated seats and your X modes, and of course it's automatic. Interior seat, all looking very flash. There's your front passenger seat, all looking very good as well. And there's your back seat there as well. Power tailgate. All inquiries welcome.